This is the first time Nigeria will be hosting the African Caucus, a meeting of African finance ministers and central bank governors. Top government officials, representatives of development finance institutions, and key players in the finance sector are also attending the event. The meeting is being held amidst the need to close the poverty and inequality gaps, which continue to pose a challenge to growth.
Our ambition is to consistently grow at 7.8% per annum in order to lead our people out of poverty. To achieve this target, this expectation, we must come together across the divide for shared solutions to critical challenges that impede the development and progress of our continent.
To navigate this complex landscape and set the continent on a path of sustainable economic growth, we must leverage the support of our global partners.
According to UN statistics, over a fifth of tax revenue in 25 developing countries was spent on servicing external debt, leaving around 3.3 billion people paying more on interest than on health or education. However, regional governments are considering reforms to change this situation.
The use of this technology, not only in trade but in improving procurement and good governance generally, does require building human and legislative capacity across the continent.
An estimated $9 billion in additional trade can be unlocked through liberalizing trade on the continent, as envisaged under the African Continental Free Trade Area.
The Vice President, Kashim Shettima, declares the meeting open. He says that with the right reforms, Nigeria and Africa can come out of its challenges, even in the face of Africa needing an estimated $1.3 trillion annually to meet its sustainable development goals by 2030.
No matter how long the night is, it must give way to the light of the dawn. Stormy, the weather might well be, but it won't rain forever. We have crossed the Rubicon. The president took the painful bullet. Reforms are inevitable.
The African Caucus, established in 1963, comprises finance ministers and central bank governors from across the continent. It aims to strengthen the voice of African leaders in the Bretton Woods institution on development issues which are crucial to Africa. Sarah Chimugu, Channels Television News.